Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Zoeller Sump pump not working, power float, clog and motor troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the sump pump is plugged into a working outlet, then test the outlet by plugging in another device, such as a lamp. Check your homey circuit breaker and reset it if it is tripped. If the pump has a GFCI outlet, press the reset button. Second one is check the float switch. Unplug the pump before inspecting it, then lift the float by hand to see if it's moved freely. Then remove any dirt, debris or objects blocking the float. Then plug the pump back in and test it by raising the float. Third one is remove clogs from the pump. Turn off the power and unplug the pump, then remove the pump from the sump pit if needed. Clean dirt, mud or small rocks from the pump inlet. Rinse the pump with clean water and reinstall it. Fourth one is check the discharge pipe. Inspect the discharge pipe for clogs or ice. Remove any debris blocking the pipe. Make sure the pipe is not bent or damaged. Test the pump again to see if water flows properly. Fifth one is inspect the check valve. Find the check valve on a discharge pipe, then make sure it is installed in the correct direction. Check if it is stuck or blocked. Clean or replace the valve if needed. Thanks for watching.